Right there is a remote, and in order to replace the battery for it, notice on the top left corner there is actually a space right here. I'll be using a screwdriver like this. We'll need to punch in the screwdriver in that spot. Before that, just make sure the button portion of the remote stays at the bottom just like that. Then we'll go ahead and punch in the screwdriver to pull out the cover from that side. There you notice the cover losing its grip. Now we'll pull out the key portion of the remote. Once the top portion is out, notice there is actually a module portion inside. We'll keep the bottom portion aside, and now we'll need to take out the cover for this module. Notice we do need to take out this plastic cover right there. Once again, we will use the same screwdriver. We'll punch in the screwdriver in that corner to pull out that black cover. There's the cover also pulled out. And right there is our battery. One more time, I'll use a screwdriver to pull the battery outwards. Just like that. And that is how we take out the battery for this remote. Notice it is a CR1620 type battery. In my case, the battery is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, just make sure the plus sign, which is right there on the battery, it should stay at the bottom. So we'll go ahead and punch in the battery inside that spot. Once in position, then we will press it down. We got the battery completely in position. Once the battery is completely in, now we'll go ahead and punch in the black cover on top of the module. Just make sure that this battery portion comes on this metal portion right here. Carefully go ahead and punch in the cover on top of the module. Align it properly from all over the edges and then press the cover down. Make sure to press the cover down from both sides until it goes completely in. Here I'm making sure the cover is completely in from all over the edges, and it seems like it's all good. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the module on top of the button portion of the remote. Notice on the module there's actually one lining coming out right here. This lining is supposed to be leveled on that position of the remote right there. We'll carefully go ahead and punch in the module, keeping in mind that position. Once in position, also make sure the module is completely sitting in there properly. Seems like it's all good. Now it's time to punch in the key portion of the remote. Notice you will see there's actually a hole onto this cover right here. Also there's a hole on the key portion right there. Make sure both of these positions are going on top of each other, and the side where the key is, that has to go on the side where there is no hole. We'll go ahead and punch in the key portion on top of the module portion. Make sure it is aligned properly and then press it down until you hear a clicking sound. We got one side in position. Also press it from the other side as well. Both sides are completely in. With that, we are done with the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.